Have you ever thought about becoming a nursing assistant? It's something that you should think about and consider. I went to training class to become a nursing assistant, and I have learned a lot and benefited from it. One of the first things that I have learned is to be patient. Um, with nursing assistant, you have to be patient because there are a lot of residents that need to be taken care of, and you have to learn how to be patient because they will ask a lot of questions. A lot of them have Alzheimer's disease. They will ask you what time it is, what day it is, what year it is, repeatedly, and you have to tell them every single time when they ask you. A lot of them need to be changed. They need to be washed, and with that comes a lot of patience because it can get very stressful. You have to move around a lot. You have to do everything that they ask them to. So you just have to consider their feelings. You have to consider everything that they have to go through and do all of that. The second thing that you need to do is to know all your duties and tasks that you have to complete for that day. Um, you have to take care of at least 15 residents in a shift. So that's a lot of residents to take care of. One of the things that you need to have is scrubs that you have to wear, such as these, the shirt and the pants. If the workplace provides some for you, you should wear those, or you could just buy some at any store like Walmart or Walgreens. You have to make sure that they fit because you will be moving around a lot, so they need to fit and not be tight and uncomfortable. Another thing you need is closed-toe shoes, such as these. Make sure that they fit and not slip off. Another thing that you have to make sure you have is a watch at all times because you have to take pulse and respirations, and you have to make sure that you take them for a full minute. So you have to always look at your watch and make sure it's a full minute every time that you take that. You have to make sure that you always have gloves in hand because you will have to do a lot of dirty work, so you have to make sure that your hands are protected, and hand sanitizer every time you take off your gloves. Third thing that you need to make sure that you have is to be kind and caring. You have to always be kind and caring because a lot of the residents don't have family members that come to them to visit. So you always have to consider that and make sure that they're taken care of, make sure that they tell you everything that's going on with them, if they have any problems, if they're feeling sad for that day. So always be kind and caring. A lot of them are combative patients, so they will hit you or bite you. You have to make sure to know that that's the illness and that's not them that's being so mean. So you have to consider that every time. And so always be nice. That's pretty much most of the main points that you should know when treating residents and when considering to be a nursing assistant. And I hope that this gave you a lot of information on doing this job.